Do you know that most of the drugs healing you are made in factories which harm our environment? These days, scientists are learning from nature how to make our drugs in a less harmful way. Natural organisms, like plants or insects, have been making useful compounds very efficiently for thousands of years. In ancient times, humans discovered the healing effects of plants. For example, using dock leaves to treat nettle stings. We all know aspirin is a life-saving drug. Its key ingredient is extracted from the bark of willow trees. Humans studied aspirin's effect and chemical structure, and then could produce it on a big scale. Current researchers are learning how organisms produce natural products.
We are looking at the information and machinery that a natural organism uses to build an important drug. We can then copy their pathway, their instruction, and we can paste it into an easier system, like bacteria or yeast. That even allows us to modify the instructions and to make improved drugs. It is basically like redesigning your candy. You can take your favorite part from one candy and put it into another.
And soon we will be using these technologies. Bacteria and yeast can produce our drugs in an environmentally friendly way, so that drugs that heal you will not harm our planet.